Welcome back. Let's take a closer look at how we can add a table to our Microsoft Word document and then use that table to collect information. Now, before we get started, a table is made up of rows and columns. Columns go up and down and rows go left to right. To add a table with rows and columns into our Word document, I'm going to click on the Insert menu here in the menu bar, and I'm going to click on Table, and then I can draw out what I need. So let's say I wanted 3 columns, so 1, 2, 3, and I wanted 4 rows. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. I just simply click and notice that the table has been added here in my Word document. Now, in the first row, I'm going to add in a title for each column. Let's say that as a class, we are being meteorologists. In other words, we are watching the weather. Maybe we want to collect information about what the weather is like on specific days of the week. So maybe my first column would be titled Day of the Week. My second column could be about the weather. So let's say weather conditions. Is it sunny, cloudy, raining, and so on. In our third column, we could collect information about the temperature each morning. Notice that I can type in each box, known as a cell, in our table by simply clicking inside the box and typing, just like we can with any other text in our Word document. We can highlight the text, and in the font menu that opens, we can make it bold, we can underline it, we can change the font, change the size, we can change the color of the font, but we also have a few more options. Notice we have what's called cell shading, so we can change the color of each box. So let's make the boxes blue. Notice how these 3 boxes or cells that were highlighted are now blue. Now let's keep adding information to this table. So maybe in our notes, we have kept track of what the weather has been like for each of the days of the week of school. So under days of the week, we can enter Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh no, I've run out of rows. I can simply right-click, and in the font menu, notice that we see Insert, Delete, and Select, and they are pictures of tables. I can click on Insert, and I can say Insert Below because we want to add a row below. Let's do that again. Insert Below. Now we have 2 more rows. Let's see if that will work. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Perfect. Now let's say that we need more room to record the weather conditions. I can hover over this border or this line and click on it and drag it over. Notice that that makes this column wider, so I have more room to type. Did you know that I can also make the rows larger by hovering over the lines at the bottom and clicking and dragging? We can do that for each row. All right, now our table is ready for us to add in our information. So again, maybe we've been keeping track by taking notes each day of what the weather is like, and one of our classmates has been checking the thermometer to see what the temperature is in the morning. We could add that information now to our table. So maybe Monday was sunny and cloudy, and the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. Notice that even inside a table, Microsoft Word checks our spelling. All right, maybe on Tuesday it was raining and cloudy, and it only reached 15 degrees Celsius in the morning when we checked the temperature. Let's go ahead and finish adding the information to our table from our notes. All right, not only have we added information that we've collected to our table, we've also changed the width of the columns by dragging over the lines running up and down. And we've changed the height of our rows by dragging the lines that run left to right at the bottom of each row. We've also added color to the boxes or cells where we have our titles, and we changed the font for our titles so that they would stand out more.